Alright friends, in this lesson we will learn about the replace method in Python programming. So replace method allows us to replace a part of string with another value. For example, my message could be hello world. Hello world. Hello world. And then if I want to replace hello with hi, what can I do? I can do directly in print function, or I can assign to the new value. Let's do it in print function. So message dot replace, and then I write hello, and then I put comma and my second value. So here my second value is my new value, hello is my old value. So if I print it, you see hi world. So I replaced hello with hi here. As you see, the replace method finds the first parameter in the string and replace it with the second one. If here like target string appears multiple times, for example, I have lots of hello, all of them are replaced. Let's do it. You see hello here also replaced by hi. So it's so important method. So replace is commonly used when editing or cleaning up text data. Super. See you in the next lesson.